What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to take out the rear seat on your 03 to 06 Jeep TJ. If you guys have a 97 to 02, I'll leave a link in the top right corner for that video. But for everyone else who's got the 03 to 06, it's going to reach back here, pull your seat belts out, and then just reach up here, grab this, tilt it forward. Then you're going to have two bars here, a thicker one and a thinner one. You're just going to clamp it together and then just slightly bring the seat back just a smidge like that, and then just pull back, and it just kind of rotates out there. So I'll do it again here just to kind of show you, just like that. So to get back in, we'll clamp it both together and just get it to line up there, and then it should just fall right into place, and you're good to go. Simple as that. And then put your seat belts back in. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.